what's up? I'm Mikey. You can check out my car right here. It's facelifted with Infinity G37, and it's an RX-7, but it has a hydraulic, 20-inch rims. Check out the headlights right here with the Swarovski Rambo doors. We customized the interiors with the LVs, and you can see that, you know, it's not, you know, just a sports car. It has some luxurious taste into it, and I have customized shift knobs. It's personally made, has my name on it, and I don't have it on right now, but these wings, they have monitors, so you know, if it's at night, you could see the 7 monitors shining it on. Hydraulics, so you can see the tanks, the accumulator, and the batteries down there. But you know, RX-7 is a small car, so it's kind of hard to fit them all in. And you can see how low it is. It's all lowered to the maximum. So I guess, you know, this is the lowest RX-7 in Japan, probably the world. It's the showboards that I made. You can check them out. This is my showboard. That's Taku's showboard, and it's all made by me. And you know, I hope it's coming, you know, because everybody likes them. So I guess, you know, stay tuned. You can see more of my car later on this year, and I guess that's it. Mikey out. Peace.